What if we could use technology to restore our forests? Imagine a world where the power of innovation meets the urgency of environmental conservation. This is not a distant dream, but a reality unfolding before our eyes. Imagine drones planting trees across vast landscapes, bringing life back to the earth. These flying machines are not just for capturing stunning aerial footage. They are becoming vital tools in our fight against deforestation. Drones can be equipped with biodegradable seed pods capable of planting thousands of trees in a fraction of the time it would take humans. Each pod contains a seed, nutrients and a protective casing, ensuring the seed has the best chance to grow. They can reach remote areas, planting trees where it's most needed, and even monitor the growth over time. This ability to access hard-to-reach places is crucial for reforesting areas that are otherwise neglected. This technology could revolutionize reforestation efforts, helping to combat climate change, restore habitats, and rebuild ecosystems. The impact of reforestation is profound, from absorbing carbon dioxide to providing habitats for wildlife. Imagine entire forests being replanted by autonomous fleets of drones. These fleets can work tirelessly, day and night, covering vast areas with precision and efficiency. But how do we ensure precision in planting, and how can these drones be optimized for different terrains and climates? The answer lies in advanced algorithms and machine learning, enabling drones to adapt to various environmental conditions. Your challenge is to refine and innovate this technology for a greener future. Engineers and scientists are constantly working to improve drone capabilities, from enhancing battery life to developing more efficient planting mechanisms. Could you design the next generation of reforestation drones? The possibilities are endless, and the need for creative solutions has never been greater. Collaboration and innovation are key to pushing the boundaries of what these drones can achieve. The potential to heal our planet is in your hands. What will you create? By combining technology with a passion for the environment, we can make a significant impact on the health of our planet. Join the mission to restore our world. Whether you're an engineer, a scientist, or simply someone who cares about the environment, there is a role for you in this mission. Together, we can make a difference. Your innovation could turn barren lands into thriving forests. Imagine the transformation of desolate landscapes into lush green forests teeming with life. This is the future we can create with the help of drone technology. Let's take action now and pave the way for a greener, healthier planet for generations to come.